In last video, we have discussed the density of a material, temperature of a material. What is temperature? It's the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Okay, units, they say unit is Kelvin. Other units are, that is generally expressed as degree Celsius. Other units are degree Fahrenheit, Kelvin, etc. First, last video we have discussed the relation between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. That is 1 Fahrenheit. That is Fahrenheit equal to 9 divided by 5 degree Celsius plus 32. That is the relation between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. This is the relation between, this is the Fahrenheit, this Fahrenheit, the Celsius. That is, it is the relation between degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. That is, if a body has temperature 10 degrees Celsius, if a body has temperature 5 degrees Celsius, how much is in Fahrenheit? You just write here, instead of degree Celsius you write 10 degree Celsius. Here we write 10, then 9 divided by 5 into 10 plus 32. Then he cut 10 and 5. Here you get 2 into 9, 18, 80 plus 32, 50 Fahrenheit. Okay, that is, if a body has 10 degrees Celsius, if a body has temperature 10 degrees Celsius, then how will you find degree in Fahrenheit? You just write, here is degree Celsius, you write 10 degree here, 10 is here, then this 10 and 5 you can cut it, here is 5 and 10 is cancel, cut, then here you get 2 into 9, 18 plus 32, 50. That is 10 degrees Celsius equal to 50 Fahrenheit. Okay, the same way we can calculate the relation between Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. Okay, then relation between degree Celsius and Kelvin. 1 Kelvin, that is Kelvin equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. This is the relation between degree Celsius and Kelvin. That is, if a body has 23 degrees Celsius, that is, if a body has 27 degrees Celsius, if a body has 27 degrees Celsius, how much is in Kelvin? Here you write 27 plus 273.15, you will get 300. 1.15 usually we omitted. Okay, that is 300 Kelvin. That is, we can convert Celsius into Kelvin. Okay, if a body has temperature 100 degrees Celsius, water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature in Kelvin? You just write 100 here. 100 plus 273. You will get it 373. That is, water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boil at 100 degrees Celsius in Kelvin, 373 degrees Celsius. Okay. In the same way, water melt at 0 degrees Celsius. Here we write 0. 0 plus 273, 0.15. Just omit, neglect 0.15. So water boil at, water melt at 273 Kelvin. In Celsius, water melt at 0 degree. But in Kelvin, to find in Kelvin, you just write 0 here. Then 0 plus 273, you will get 273. That is, water melt at 273 Kelvin and water boil at 373 Kelvin. Okay, that's the relation between temperature in Kelvin and Celsius. Here Temperature in degree Fahrenheit and temperature in degree Celsius. Okay. Now the next concept is atomic number. Usually we write the symbol Z, the last alphabet of English alphabet, the last letter of English alphabet Z, capital Z. Atomic number. It is the number of protons which are present in an atom. It is number of protons present in an atom. It is number of protons or total number of protons present in an atom. Or it is the number of electrons which is present in a neutral atom. Or it is the number of electrons present in a neutral atom. When we express atomic number in terms of electron, you just mention neutral atom. Okay. Uh, I'm not going to explain this in detail here because we have so many occasions to discuss this. So you just remember here is that an atomic number is the number of protons present in an atom. When it is expressed in electron, it is the number of electron present in a neutral atom. You just mention neutral. Okay, because atom becomes positive charge, sometimes become negative charge, then change number of electron and atomic number. So you just remember here. I will discuss in subsequent chapters in detail about that. But if you have any doubt here, you can ask me and comment me. Okay. Then mass number. It is denoted by capital letter A. That is first alphabet of English. Capital A. It is the total number of protons and neutrons which is present in an atom. It is the total number of proton and electron which is present in an atom. The mass number is actually it is the total number of not proton only. It is the total number of proton and neutron present in an atom. An atom contain that is inside the atom, that is in the nucleus. Proton and neutron are present. The total number of proton and neutron is called mass number. These two terms you are to remember. You must remember it. Atomic number is the total number of proton present in an atom. Here note say neutral atom because proton does normally will not take part in a chemical reaction. Only electron take part. Okay, so whether it is a neutral atom or charged atom, the proton has no change because in chemical reaction, proton does not take part in a chemical reaction. But in nuclear reaction, nuclear chemistry, we discuss about that proton take part in a chemical reaction. But here, atomic number is the number of proton present in an atom or number of electron present in a number of proton present in an atom or number of electron present in a neutral atom. Okay, mass number, it is the total number of proton and present in an atom. Mass number is represented by capital A. Atomic number is expressed in capital Z. Okay. Here I will give you some elements and their atomic number and name and their symbol. Right. Okay. This is a table showing some elements and their name, some elements, their atomic number and symbol. Okay, element as symbol. So what is symbol? It is the shortest representation of this, an abbreviation or the shortest representation of an element. That is the symbol. Right. Atom number 1. Atom number 1, hydrogen. Symbol H, capital H. Atom number 2, you have to learn, you have to by heart the atomic number and atomic number order, that is elements, all elements in the periodic table. You have to remember. Here you just remember only first 20 elements, but you have to remember all elements and their atomic numbers and their symbol, and some of the elements and their symbol you have studied in lower classes. Atom number 1, hydrogen, symbol H, first letter of hydrogen H. 2, helium, here H is used here, then here is used helium. Helium, second element helium, He, capital H, small e. Third one, atom number 3. Atom number 3 means number of protons present in an atom is 3, or number of electron present in a neutral atom is 3. Lithium, Li. Fourth element, beryllium, Be. Fifth element, fifth atomic number, boron, B. 6, carbon, capital C. 7, nitrogen, capital N. 8, oxygen, O. 9, fluorine, capital F. 10, neon, capital N, capital E. 11, sodium, sodium in Latin natrium. In Latin sodium we call it as, in Latin name of sodium is natrium. So we use the symbol Na. Okay. Magnesium 12, atom number 12, Mg. 13, aluminium, Al. 14, silicon, Si. 15, phosphorus, capital P. 16, sulfur, capital S. 17, chlorine, Cl. 18, argon, Ar. 19, not clear here because some part is missing, but 19, potassium, K, kalium in Latin name, potassium, Latin name is kalium, so K letter is used, and 20, calcium, we use Ca. That is here in the table. We are going to study first 20 elements of the periodic table from hydrogen to calcium. Okay. 20, atomic number 19 and 20 is missing here, just below the screen, but the 19th element is potassium. In Latin, potassium, Latin name, in Latin the name of potassium is kalium, so first letter K is used. 20, calcium. Ca is used, capital C, and small a is used. Argon, first letter S, second letter small r. Chlorine, atomic number 17, that is 17 proton or 17 electron in the neutral atom is present. Chlorine, first letter C is capital, second letter is small n. Sulfur, capital S. Phosphorus, capital P. Silicon, capital S, small I. Aluminium, first letter A, capital L, small. In the way, you have to study first 20 elements and their atomic numbers and the symbol. You have to study that. Okay. Thank you watching my video. Thank you. Okay.